2021 Mazda CX-5 spark plug replacement. Take off the cover. Already got the bolts loose. It's an 8 millimeter. So go ahead and get those out. Put them to the side. And you're gonna have to take this out here so you can make space for this. So I'll just set it here on the side here. Gonna have to get this off here. Kinda gets brittle, so gonna get it loose and then pull. Sometimes you might need some help. Okay, there you go. So we got that to the side. And now just go ahead and pull the plugs out. We don't have any leaks, valve cover gasket leaks, so we'll go ahead and get that spark plug replaced. All right, so we're gonna use a 9/16 spark plug socket. And of course, got the NGK laser iridiums for these for replacement. So let's go ahead and get them out. You can look at the first one, pretty burnt out. Get the second one out. Oh wow, that's bad. Yeah, this vehicle has a little over 100,000 miles, probably about 120, and it has never been done. So that's why I recommended it. Oh, there we go. Compare this to this. Can tell how burnt out they are. So let's go ahead and replace these and call it good. We're gonna go ahead and tighten up by hand first. Same thing on the other ones. Now that we get them in there. And what I do, I go ahead and go back in there and hand tighten them. Once I feel it get tight, and I just snug it just a little bit past that, and then I just leave it alone. You don't want these too tight. All right, so we got the spark plugs in there. Now we just gotta get the coils back on top of them. There we go. You're gonna have to finesse them to put them in for some reason. All right, as you get the, go ahead and secure the 8 millimeter bolts, as always. And go ahead and snug them up. And that's pretty much it. So go ahead and, yeah, this is over. So get the hoses back on and get the cover back on. And pay attention, these tab goes in here. So line them up and then set it down and you're fine after that. All right, y'all. There you go. Thanks for watching. Peace.